This is Nicholas Hahn reporting for KND News. I'm out here at the rig, the Pearland High School Stadium. The soccer team is practicing for next season, trying to be even more successful than this year.
We're just planning to continue building on what we've had. Hopefully we can get past the second round of the playoffs, maybe win district.
The soccer team works hard, ready to give everything for the team next year. Are you happy with what the team has achieved this year?
Oh, most definitely. We have improved so much since last year.
Even though both coaches were content with the season's result, they always want to set the bar a little higher.
I thought we had a good season.
The JV team will definitely be looking to win district as well, and hopefully get to at least 12 wins next year, one more than this year.
Let's hope for a successful season. This was Nicholas Hahn for KND News.